Statistically, 1 in 20 people is a narcissist. Emotional abuse affects around 40% of people every year. Hello and welcome to the Narcissistic Abuse Recovery channel. This channel is based on the belief that narcissists are inherently toxic and damage the mental health of all those around them. It is intended to support those who find themselves suffering from narcissistic abuse within a narcissistic family, such as a narcissistic father or mother or legal guardian, a narcissistic relationship, husband, wife, partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, or those who are a victim of narcissistic abuse from other sources, such as a boss, co-worker, or somebody who they cannot practically escape from. We will have 5 foundational principles on which this channel will be based. Number 1, clarity. Understanding the situation you find yourself in, so you will have the tools to start dealing with incidents on a day-to-day basis, and ultimately recovering from narcissistic abuse. Number 2, sensitivity. Regaining the sense that your feelings and reactions to the abuse you are suffering are not only valid, but they are perfectly normal and indeed an inevitable emotional response to the situations you find yourself in. Number 3, unity. Understanding that you are not alone, that other people are in or have been in the same situation or very similar situations and can help you. From this you will learn that narcissistic behaviour is boringly predictable and also very commonplace. Number 4, altruism. Beginning to heal yourself through the power of helping other victims of emotional abuse. Number 5, empowerment. Strength through understanding. Together with clarity, we will discuss tools to help you on your journey to recover from narcissistic abuse. Please share your thoughts, feelings and experiences in the comments. Stay safe, be strong, and remember, you are not alone.